Hello, I'm Jerry Fort. I'm going to review some Cheese Shock snacks. They are cheese, artificially flavored puffed corn snack. Barcel company from the makers of Takis. WATZ. WATZ. See if you have anything in them to make them spicy at all. Corn grits, some seasoning, salt, onion powder, garlic powder, a little sugar, natural and artificial flavors. Got some spices again, less paprika. That's really about it. Groupo Bimbo. Barcel. Okay. Man, I got a nice cheese aroma. You see in there? Look like crinkle cut French fries. Like cheese curls or something, but only a crinkle cut. Oh wow. A nice crunchy texture. Very cheesy, lightly salty. I'm getting into the garlic and onion. These are pretty good. They pretty much almost like melt in your mouth. Just like a cheese curl. You don't really get the grits, the corn grits. The flavors are just way too big. Very good. I got a fuego. I got a lime tornado. Yeah, I like them. I could eat this whole bag easily. It's one of those type of snacks that are just so easy to eat. So there you go. Cheese Shock. Let me know if you've tried it. Good stuff. Has a slight sweetness in the back end of them after you've chewed them up and swallowed them. They just a very light sweetness. But yeah, good stuff. Okay, pretty simple. I thank you for watching. I appreciate it. See you on the next one. Bye.